Yeah.
That's right out of Don Giovanni. Suddenly,
Yeah.
it's like the most poignant moment in Don Giovanni, and it's just buried inside the sonata. Where is that spot?
Yeah.
I don't know if you know Don Giovanni, but
Yeah,
that's this. And back to the real world.
Yeah.
There's another spot a little like that at the beginning, which is this. There's just so much going on suddenly, especially after measure long chords, measure long, measure chord, and then suddenly. It's light and it's you know. It's just in the left hand. Think of them as together. When you bring out that broader harmonic structure, you get lots. You don't get buried in the details.
Yeah.
Because then you try to control the details, and you find that you are controlling them, but you can't make the music that you're expecting to make.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.